McDonald's is the world's leading food service retailer with more than 32,000 restaurants in 117 countries, serving 60 million customers each day. Celebrating 15 years of leadership in food service retail in India, McDonald's is now looking to give a fresh look and feel to its restaurants. Going by this philosophy, when McDonald's planned to renovate its Janpath restaurant, Philips was able to provide the right kind of lighting solution to gel with the design of the restaurant.
As you know that McDonald's in India started its operation in 1996, and till date till last year we were doing the local designing, and for the last 15-16 years we thought that we should give something new to the customer, and we want to have some kind of restaurant ambience which can attract our customers, which can retain our customers. That was in our mind. We thought that let us do something on the Janpath part, and there are various designs to it, right? So if you, from the trading area point of view, this concept, which is the limb food, is a better concept suited to the office area. And when this concept came up, then the issue was the lighting. What kind of lighting should we have, which can focus our ambience, which can highlight our concept, and at the same time which can give us the energy saving, and which aesthetically should gel with the aesthetic of the restaurant, the concept of the architect, right? And I'm happy that we have selected the right kind of light, and Philips has helped us in providing these kind of lightings. See, as far as Philips is concerned, is a renowned brand, and we are working with Philips in other market also except India. This was the first time we have introduced this kind of lighting from the Philips. But we are already working with Philips in Asia Pacific markets like China and Hong Kong, Malaysia, Indonesia. So I don't think we have any problem with the Philips, and they have helped us a lot. They have suggested lighting. They are still working with us, suggesting further lighting for our tier 2, tier 3 cities. So we will be working with them. When the lighting comes, automatically in your mind the name comes with the Philips. You cannot compare Philips with any other brand which is existing in India, like Wipro or any other brand. Philips is Philips. I mean, I agree with the Philips that they are into this field for last so many years, and they are the pioneer in the lighting. So we don't have to think twice. And already since we are working internationally with the Philips, so it is already proved. So we don't have a second thought.
The new look Janpath outlet in Delhi now uses LED lighting solutions throughout the restaurant to provide customers with bright yet soothing lighting conditions to enjoy their favorite meals.
When McDonald's was looking to refurbish all its existing outlets, Philips suggested them to go for LED frame lights, which would result in more than 80% energy savings and at the same time would not compromise on the lighting effect. In return, Philips would be achieving the goal of sustainability around the globe. I'm happy that McDonald's has liked the lighting effect in their stores where they have carried out this implementation, and they have liked it so much that they would be implementing this all around by this year. The lighting has gelled out really well with the ambience of McDonald's, and it has given the output which McDonald's was looking for. We are happy that McDonald's would be replicating this elsewhere by the year end.